Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore the most famous street around the world. We call POPPIES Lane 1 and POPPIES Lane 2. If you want to know how the situation right there at the moment during the pandemic corona on September 2021, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore POPPIES Lane 1 and POPPIES Lane 2. Actually, I already explored this area a month ago. And today we will explore in this area again from different direction. Okay, now we are in POPPIES Lane 1. And if you see the weather today is very beautiful, very clear, very sunny. In few days ago Bali get bit cloudy, but today is very clear. I'm really happy to see that. And if you see the shop around here, left side and right side, that's still closed. It's very sad, isn't it? It's already more than 1 year. This area is very quiet because usually there is a lot of tourists from other country come to Bali and then they stay here. And also just only some few people, local domestic people, they come to this area and stay here. So that's why in this area still very quiet. Even tourism destination is already open in Bali because a lot of people from other country cannot come to Bali because the international border for tourism still open yet. You see, the street is very quiet, isn't it? And all the shops closed. It's very sad. And on this area there is a lot of shop and hotels, also some bungalow. And before the pandemic corona, there for sure a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk in this area because they doing the shopping. And also in this area is connecting from Legian Street and Kuta Beach. But you see how quiet it is. It's just no people there. It's like a ghost town actually. All the shop is closed. Actually, our government planning will be reopen international tourism in November. It's on issue, but we're not sure yet. So we hope together the border international for tourism will be open soonly. You see this area? It's very quiet, isn't it? It's just no people there. Okay, now we turn left. We will see how look like the Ronta street. In this area there is a lot small hotels. So that's why a lot backpacker from other country, they come to Bali and they stay around here. It is very small road, isn't it? This street is connecting from POPPIES Lane 1 to POPPIES Lane 2. Very small road, but some motorbike driving very fast. It's very quiet, isn't it? Oh, there's a shop. It's open. I'm really happy to see that. Left side is hotel. Also at the front there is hotel. And to stay here is very cheap actually, because only small hotel and very small road. But this area very famous because and central of Legian Street. So if you walk by feet from here to go to central of Legian Street is only about 5 minutes by walk to go to Ground Zero and some nightclub as Paddy's Pub, VIP, Reggae, Engine Room, Paddy's, Bounty. Just around there, it's not so far from here. So that's why this area is very famous for the tourists, international. Mostly Australians stay around here. I mean, just young people, because they like party at the night time. Ah, you see how quiet it is, just no people there. If you turn left, that is we call Gang Sorga. We've been explored Sorga Street few weeks ago, but still same situation, still very quiet. Okay, from Ronsa Street, if I turn right at the front, that is go to the Legian Street, just around 100 meters to the Ground Zero and some night pub. And now we turn left to explore Poppies Lane 2. Poppies Lane 2 is very famous street in Bali. And actually I'm gonna say it's also very famous around the world because a lot of people know this street for sure. Because this street be in the heart of Kuta area. So that's why there is a lot of people come to this area to do some shopping, go to the night bar and go to the beach from the street. You see on the right side, there is Korean restaurant, it's very famous, but they closed during the pandemic corona. And left side there is the shop, also closed. It's very sad, isn't it? It's very small street, but very famous. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video because that is for sure a lot of people want to know the situation at the moment during the pandemic corona in Bali. It's very sad video because right side, left side, all the shop is closed. Even the hotel just very quiet. It looks like no people there. Let's just imagine, they already rent the shop for 1 year. They pay around 45 million per year. It's like about 3,000 US dollar. And they are already closed the shop is around 2 years. So I can say like they lose the money around $6,000. That is really big money. You see, it is very quiet, isn't it? Just look like no people here. Right side, hotel, left side, shop, but they close. You see some people at the front? Yeah, there is some activity here because in the right side, there is back side from big shopping mall we call Beach Walk. Poppies Lane 2 is only around 1,500 meters from Legian Street until to the beach. So that's why it's like a shortcut from Legian to Kuta Beach. So that's why before the pandemic corona in this area is very busy. People walk around on the sidewalk. So let's pray together Bali getting better and better soonly. And also we hope our government will be reopen tourism international border to make Balinese business get rise up again. Actually, on the left side there is hotel. Yeah, but still look very quiet around here. Left side there is the shop, it's open. Right side also shop some open. I'm really happy to see that. And some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. That is good. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2. If you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update new situation in Bali. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.